Good morning, dear children. In our previous class, we have already discussed about the agricultural implements. So, in that one, we have already discussed about the crop production and management, and then in that one, preparation of a soil, and then sowing method. So, in today class, we will move on to the next one step, that is adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called soil, manure, and fertilizers. So, it supplies the minerals, nutrients to the crop. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. Continuous growing of crops makes the soil poorer in certain nutrients. Here, why we have adding to the manure and fertilizer to the soil? What is the advantages of the manure and fertilizer? Here, the manure and fertilizers that will be supplies the minerals and nutrients to the crop. So when we grown the same or continuously we have to be grown the crops in a certain places, means that soil will be a reduces or that is having the poor nutrients. So that's why we have to be add the manure and fertilizer. So this is having the some minerals and particular nutrients, and therefore, farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients. This this process is called manuring. So here, what is the meaning of manuring means? The farmers have to add the manure to the fields to replenish the soil with the nutrients. So this process is called a manuring. So farmers must and should add the manure into the soil, means what purpose they have to be add, because so that the soil or it may be field replenish, means get more fertility. So the soil will become more fertility, means we have to be add the manure into the soil. So that is called as a manuring. So improper or insufficient manuring results in a weak plants. Improper or insufficient manuring results in a weak plants. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಥರ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ವೀಕಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಸ್, ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫುಡ್ನ ಇಂಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ವಿ ಡು ನಾಟ್ intake the food in a properly, means what will happens? Yes, so we just fall in a ill. So like that only, we do not supply the proper nutrients or manure into the plants, means that is also get weak, and also the some diseases will be attacked to the plants. So that's why we have to be add the manure and fertilizer. Then what are fertilizers? So fertilizers are chemical substances which are rich in a particular nutrient. Fertilizers are produced in the factories. The use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy, and maize. Here, so fertilizers. So why we have to be use the fertilizers means in that one a particular nutrient will be present. For example, sodium, potassium, and then zinc. So these particular nutrients will be presented in a fertilizer. So and also ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಕೆಮಿಕಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್. So that manure is consisting of the all kinds of nutrients. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೊ this is also called it as the fertilizer. It is also called it as chemical fertilizer, and then it is having the particular nutrient like nitrogen, potassium, and then sodium, and then zinc. And then fertilizers are produced in factories. So these fertilizers that will be produced in factories, and also the use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy, and maize. So when we use this fertilizer in the field means how can we get the crops means it will be a gives rise to the more yield to the crops. So more yield means huge amount of the crops grains we have to be get from the crop yield. Next one, so advantages of manure. So advantages of manure. So as compared to the fertilizer, why we have to be use the manure in the crop field? Because the manure are the organic materials. The organic manure is considered better than the fertilizer. This is because first one reason is that it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It enhance means it will be expands. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿನ ಸೊ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿನ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿನ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದಿನ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋವಂಥ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ porous due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. Porous means so pores, some pores that will be presented in the soil, that will be makes it means the exchange of an gaseous state in the soil.